What's going on, guys? So today we got a 2018 STI. It's my buddy Chris's, and we're gonna do like a small facelift on the car. So his bumper's actually in my garage right now, and we got a few things that we're doing. So originally, the car had a regular ABS plastic lip and an battle arrow splitter, or Aeroflow Dynamics, sorry, splitter on the car. And just the other day at Boxer Fest, he got a good deal on a carbon fiber lip. So now we're going to be putting on this carbon fiber lip, and we are not putting the diffuser back on because he's going to go with a carbon fiber diffuser. Before Chris gets here, he wanted me to do a front end, like he wants me to basically all this to be gloss, like the grill. So if you remember my WRX, I had the JDM grill, and then I matched the JDM grill, did gloss black in the mesh behind, and also on my fog light bezels. So I'm basically doing the same thing for him. I'm going to pull the fog light bezels out, spray them black, clear coat them, and also at the same time I'm going to tape up the centerpiece in the bumper and paint that gloss black as well. Once Chris gets here, he actually has a set of the neon green hella horns he wants to put in. And last but not least, we painted the intercooler black yesterday from factory, from ETS. It comes black with their logo painted on it. But the previous owner decided to paint the logo blue, and it just looked like crap. So we sprayed black over it, cleaned it up, and now I'm going to print out a fresh ETS stencil and paint it white again. So let's get to it. Holy hell, guys. It is coming down now. It's like my own personal water park. Oh. I've been working outside in this all day. The heat, it was like 90 degrees today. This feels amazing. I'm just stand out here and soak it up for a little bit. Alright, so the factory grill has like a little bit of metallic in it. It's not a whole lot, but just enough. So I mixed in a little bit of metallic into the black. Hopefully it matches enough. If not, it's down low, so it won't be too bad. But we're going to go ahead and spray this bad boy. And it's going to be better quality than Subi Speed. Boom! Oh! Shots fired!
Bang!
Saving
Bang!
this boy what is it? 1800 bucks? Alright, so we got the base coat on these. And we got the intercooler stencil printed out. So now we're just going to lay the intercooler stencil on the intercooler, put some white down, and then we're going to clear coat over this black, and it's going to look amazing. Alright, the logo is sprayed on. Now we're going to clear coat this, clear coat the bumper, and see the finished product. Alright guys, so we have the bezels back in. Everything's good to roll. Got a couple little pieces of dirt up here. Well, and some of them aren't even dirt. There's a few stone chips, and obviously there's nothing I can do about that. But, I mean, it came out pretty good. It is a deeper, darker black than the grill, which we were kind of worried about, but oh well. But we got the bezels done. And then we got the ETS sprayed on the intercooler now. Everything's good there. Got the hell horns in. So everything's here. Everything's pretty much ready to go. Carbon fiber lips going to go back on the bumper. And then bumper's going to go back on the car. And we should be done.
Aliens! That black gloss really complements that carbon.
It's coming together. Now you just need a carbon fiber grill once your hood gets here. Outstanding.
I forgot about that fucking thing.
Oh, we have reached a point of no return.
Oh. Holy. How's that for a car show? I just take the bumper off, and I say, "Ooh, look at that intercooler, man." Today on Goon Squad, we're going to turn this piece of shit into a nicer piece of shit.
Oh, shit. Shout out Goon Squad.
Goon Squad. out with the old, in with the new, filler. And now to meet the man, the myth.
Alright, bumper's back on the car. Everything's good to go. Now he just needs to get a splitter.
It's happening, brother. I don't know.
St. Judas.
You remember Tyler from the coilover video.
Buggers.